Guys, nakaabot na kami dito guys. Sa dulo. Yan. Yung aking asawa, Sumara, oh. Babalik kami doon sa pinaglakaran namin kanina guys kasi mainit ang sikat ng araw. Dito kasi malamig guys. Sa forest. No. Daddy, we have mushroom, oh. Yan, guys, oh. Oh, yan nyo. Doon kami galing, guys, sa dulo. Now, babalik kami kasi init. What, Daddy? Why? Okay. Okay. I take video. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Yan. Ang ganda dito guys. May mga mushroom, ibang mushroom. Yan. We have mushroom. Oh. Ibang mushroom siya guys. May mga mushroom, oh. Oh. Red mushroom. Hindi yan guys nakakain. We go back because it's very cold here. Maybe we have some more. Oh. Yeah, maybe. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Like na yan guys. Doon kami galing guys, oh. Ngayon babalik kami kasi malamig dito guys. Mabalik kami doon sa pinanggalingan namin. Mara! Si Mara guys. Mara. Yeah. Kung saan-saan lang kami nakarating. Everywhere. He's walking everywhere with Mara. 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 We have stairs there, Daddy. We go to stairs. But I have a grass. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here, Mara. We go babaw. Say, yung aking asawa guys, marami nang alam. We go babaw. We go to Daddy. Go na. Oh. I want to hear. Mayroong quad. Yan, may mga motorsiklo dito guys, pero ganyan guys, oh, marami. Yan. Ginagamit lang nila pag tag-init. Quad. This is quad, Daddy. Yeah.